Not only is the 2025 Hyundai Tucson a chic-looking choice among compact SUVs, but it's also a practical one, with a more spacious cabin and cargo area than many rivals. A 187-horsepower four-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive are standard, and all-wheel drive is optional. Acceleration is leisurely, and that's putting it nicely, but the Tucson delivers a comfortable ride. Both a hybrid and plug-in hybrid are offered. We review them separately. Each provide more kick than the non-hybrid model, but no Tucson provides the same driving verve of the Honda CR-V, the Mazda CX-50, or the Volkswagen Tiguan, all of which handle corners with more gusto. If you're more inclined to lazy commutes and quiet road trips, the Tucson has you covered, especially higher-end trims that come appointed with nicer materials and feature more conveniences and tech gadgets. The Tucson receives a styling refresh for 2025 that includes updates to the SUV's grille, bumpers, and wheels. Inside, the Tucson's old infotainment setup has been swapped for a new one. That includes two displays sharing a singular rectangular housing on the dashboard. One serves as a digital instrument cluster, while the other handles entertainment, navigation, and other vehicle functions. The steering wheel has been tweaked, the climate control panel has been updated, and the gear selector has been moved from the center console to the steering column. The center console now offers more space for small item storage, and from photos we can see a wireless charging pad ahead of the center armrest. Hyundai hasn't yet released all the info for the 2025 Tucson, but we expect to see no changes to the SUV's powertrains. The updates made here should also apply to the hybrid model, however, we'll have to wait for official details before we can be sure. The refreshed Tucson is expected to go on sale before the end of 2024, as a 2025 model. The price of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is expected to start around $29,000 and go up to $38,000, depending on the trim and options.